is your vision on what consulting will look like over after this AI revolution?
I think people have. I think it's a great opportunity, right? So I remember 10 years ago, right? This moment just seems like the DevOps moment that we had, Ali, right?
Mm-hmm.
So maybe because you were in Flux, maybe you had this same moment a little before me, right? 3, 4 years ago, maybe before me,
Maybe.
right?
Well, 2014 is when we decided that DevOps is what it is. So not really that much before you.
I think maybe DevOps is what is AI today, right? Remember that when DevOps started, everybody was afraid. I remember that I have dozens of discussions with testing people that, oh my God, DevOps testing is gonna die, right? So, oh, even with cloud, so oh, there's not gonna be more infrastructure engineers because of cloud
Mm-hmm.
and containers, right? That was a big discussion. I think it's the same situation now with AI. I'm lucky and happy to be actually in the exact moment that this is happening, but it's a huge opportunity for engineers, especially, VixCon, there was a really good presentation um, of an AI engineer that said, look, AI is not smart. AI cannot sum two numbers, right?
Mm-hmm.
It get it done, but it can't do it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So there's a lot of opportunity to develop solutions just like ACE around AI, right? We want to build IP, but AI brought an opportunity for us to build that.
One of the things that you're saying is very interesting, right? Like it's not smart; it is very, very wise. Things that were trivial for like there really needs to be a lot of hey, this is what needs to be done by AI, and this is what needs to be done
Yeah.
based on what we already know.
Also funny that I've been hearing that for the past at least 3 years that AI is gonna kill service companies,
Mm-hmm.
right? It's crazy. That's not gonna happen. It's gonna open more opportunities for engineers, especially for the good ones that understand what needs to be done. So bad companies that hire people that can't do it or takes a lot of time or doesn't understand exactly what they are doing, and we have a lot of clients that get to us with that situation, with that kind of product. That's not going to happen anymore because people are actually going to have to understand everything the AI doing to actually work with the AI. So it is an opportunity. So it's not killing. It's not like there is lovable building interface automatically. It's just an opportunity to build more, right? To deliver more. It's just a tool, just like DevOps, right? And it's pretty cool to be at this specific moment, building solutions around that. And that's gonna different the market because a lot of people thinking that, oh, it's gonna die, it's not a big opportunity, but it is. I think to support AI and to build solutions with AI tool. And if you don't understand, you're gonna, of course, it's gonna be hard for you. But if you do understand and is able to build great products, it's gonna be a huge opportunity.